A salt jar is a simple tool that can help cleanse, purify, and protect you as well as your space. You can keep this in your home, whether it's at the center of your home, you can keep it in your bedroom where you sleep. This is very easy to do, yet very effective. A salt jar is a simple tool that can help purify, protect, and bless you in the space it is kept in. To make a jar, you can use any glass jar. Open your jar and begin filling it with salt. As you pour the salt, visualize that it is a powerful barrier that shields and protects the intended area as well as yourself from negative influences or harm. Fill the jar almost to the top, leaving a small space for any additional items you wish to add. You can use herbs, you can use oils or sachet powders, as well as you can use a petition written in some parchment paper and adding that to your jar. Hold the jar in your hands for a moment, visualizing it, feeling it with power to fulfill your intentions. Set it in a safe place or use it in your rituals as a rattle, a holder for candle divination, or as a focus for meditation or prayer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.